Hi guys, welcome back again to the another video. So today we'll again having some more interesting things which we will be discussing today. And yes, we'll not making you bored because again we got something for you on my quarky bot. So today we'll be getting started with the quarky, how actually you can do anything with the quarky. So today I figured out how you can make a quarky to go forward, backward, and all, and making the quarky to go to right and left. Even you can display your message, what actually you wanted to display it on the LED board, right? So, as we already have discussed a few pointers about the quarky in the previous video. So today we'll be getting connected with this kind of the LED board and making the quarky to move in right and left. So for this one, so let's get started with the things and welcome again to my videos. So the very first thing, your Quarky bot have a Bluetooth. You have to connect. You might be able to not able to see that. See, you see there is a blue LED light down there. That means your Quarky is on and your Bluetooth is on. So what do you have to do it? We don't have to install any software. It just like there is a website, just like a scratch, how you used to do the things on a scratch. Similarly, we're having another website which is going to helping you to do something with the Quarky. Are you ready, guys? Let's get started with the things there. So the website called wait, let me just open the website and show you how actually that website looks like. All right, so guys, I'm gonna share my screen to you and I hope you will be able to see that. So, okay, so here you can see it. This is we call PictoBlock. Why do we call PictoBlock? Because it's a name, PictoBlocks. All right, so here, first of all, whenever you get into this thing, so you have to start with registering yourself and all. So I already have registered myself, so each and everything I already did it. And you know, if you you are new, so absolutely you have to create your account. Without that you cannot do it. Now, so similarly on the scratch, you able to see the stage area where you can see your characters doing something and all. So that also you can able to see it over here. Even you can choose your characters or sprites, whatever the sprites kind of sprites you need, you can choose it from here. And similarly, the backdrops as well as like the scratch. So there is no need of working on these part things over here. So here, the most important part is we will be discussing about the most interesting thing of this video. So today we'll be discussing about here a quarky and the display and the robot. These all things we'll be discussing about today. But how actually it's going to work. So let's get started with the quarky. So first of all, when you get into the PictoBlocks, you have to go to the board. You know, the very first thing, whenever you're restarting this one, I already have restarted my query because it just take a time. So let your query to start. And first, it will just display you a hi message initially, and then it gets started. Will ask you for left, right button and play some games and touch this touch paths, touch buttons. And similarly, after that, you'll be able to play some kind of music. And later on, you will be able to connect your query key through Bluetooth over here. So after getting into the board, just go to the query key here and connect it. Whenever you just go connect it, you will be, let me just disconnect and connect it in front of you so you can just get it. I'm disconnected. See, you got this one. Purple light means disconnected. And here, if you see a green light, it means it's connected. Let's connect it directly. So I'm just going to go with the Bluetooth and I'm connecting with my Quacky. Ta-da! You can see now it just get connected, right? So this is what we got it, which is got connected. Now, suppose if you wanted to do something with that one, the very easy things, I'm just putting in front of you guys so you can see it. So you can see this one. So let's get started with the first thing. What you can say, displaying some kind of message. So first I'll go to the display. No, I'm going to display with the space key. So I'll go to the event and I take it out, space key pressed. And I go to the display and emotion. No, first, let's start with the happy emotion. So how this can show you a happy emotion. For that one, if I'm going to press a space key, Ta-da! The happy emotion. You might be not able to see that because the light is too bright, and I'll try to show you if it's no, not possible. It's too bright. Okay. Similarly, there is the another motion out there. Let's try crying. Oh no, all of them is looks very same to you guys. So what about if I go with the disco? Ta-da! You can see the disco. It's just like a disco things, but you won't be able to see that how it actually looks like. Okay. Let me just try something else. All right. Instead, first of all, let me just clear the screen. To clear the screen, there is already a code called clear screen. So the flashing of LED will stop. So now the next what I wanted to do it, I just wanted to show a message with the dark color, and I'm just gonna write hello all to my viewers. Hello all. All right. So even you can set the speed. I don't want to go with the medium. I'm gonna go with the slow. Now I think the blue is much better instead of having the other color to display it on over here. Let's start this first. So if I'm going to click it on space key, it's getting started with that one. What? You can see H E L L O A L L. Hello, Wall. So finally you got it. How that actually work, isn't it? It's fun. So similarly, there is a lot of things are there. And even I'm just going to do a little code on this one, and even I'm going to show you how that actually works. So as of now, I'm not going to do the code for this. So directly starting with the one space key press, not a space key, I'm going to make it as up arrow key press. Now, going to the quarky, going to the robot, and I'm going to choose go forward, not 100 speed because it's too fast. I'm going to make it as a 40, right? Similarly, I'll go to the event again, and I'm just going to choose space instead of space key. I'm going to go with the down key. Again, I have to go to the robot, and I'm going to choose it to go backward. Again, the speed of 40, not that much. So similarly, we got it. I'm just going to duplicate this one. Even you can stop this one. So I'm going to choose a stop. How do I want my robot to get stopped? So similarly, what kind of things I'm going to do it? I got down, duplicate in, right. I want to make it as go right. Again, duplicate, put it over here, make it as go left. This I forgot. This I just need to make it as a left. All right, guys. So, and I'm just going to make my quarky to stop when I'm clicking on the space key. You won't be able to see over here. So I'm just going to put a video of this one. So you'll be able to see that what actually is going to. Now, guys, you can see it. I already have connected my quarky with my laptop. And now I'm just wanted to check whether how it's going to be moved forward. So I'm just going to press, you can see it. I'm just going to press the up arrow. And as I'm going to press the up arrow, you will be able to see that what's going to be happen to the quarky. Now you can see the quarky is going, no, don't go far. And if I'm pressing the down arrow, it's come backward. If I'm pressing the right arrow, it's turning right. And let me just make my quarky to go a little far. Okay, let's make it as far. And when I'm pressing space key, it's just getting stopped. Now I wanted to make my quarry to turn left. So I did it. Now if I'm pressing that one, you'll be able to see that it's just turning left. Similarly, wherever you want, if you wanted to make the quarry key, let me make my quarry to come back. So I'm just going to press down arrow key. Oh, whoa, hey, forward, man. So now it's there. So now I hope you understood how I did the code over there. You saw it. And after pressing the arrow keys, how your quarry key is working. So I hope, guys, you really got to know how to get started with a quarky. And if you haven't watched my previous video, it's already here. It's already on the iCard, so you can just go to watch how I unboxed my quarky and all. So similarly, today we talked about how you can get started with and how you can connect your quarky with the Bluetooth over here on a PictoBlock. So I'll recommend you, instead of installing your PictoBlock software in your computer, it's better to open PictoBlock AI. That's going to be definitely really work, right? So, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.